we go. All right. So continuing our practice of the 2-5-1 chord progression, we were doing G, A minor, to a D7. And that was our work from last week. But we're going to throw in another option. In lieu of that A minor to that D7, we're doing a D7 suspended to a D7. And we discovered, at least I discovered, probably some of you already know this, when I was making my G chord, this note, this finger, is part of the D7 suspended. So I hold it down and make that D sus, and then to the D7. So let's do Mary Had a Little Lamb and see how we can play with this. 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow.